Welcome back to CarsKenya, where purchasing your car is made simple and honest. So today we are having a look at this, one of the best selling dual cab Toyota Hilux 2018 model. And today we're just going to find out why this double cab is one of the best selling double cab in Kenya. Well, traditionally it's known for its robust build and its dependability and reliability, being a Toyota. So still its closest competitor is the D-Max, the 3-liter version. So today we have this new import just arrived from Japan, a 2018 Toyota Hilux. It's a 2.4-liter diesel, 4-wheel drive. It is upgraded compared to its previous generation when we look at the insulated cabin, so that the ride becomes more quieter. But having a look at basically the design, is we have this massive headlight. Integrated is an LED on one part. Then you have a nice fog lights. The best thing about this double cab SUV double cab is that it has an amazing ground clearance. You have some chunky tires, 17-inch tires, and you're looking at a ground clearance of about 279 millimeters. The wading depth of this vehicle is about 700 millimeters. So when you're going off-road in a flooded area, it's a very capable cabin. So there's not much when you look at the design. It just has some very smooth body lines and gives it that strong back. And then we have this back cover. So this vehicle in itself is able to tow up to about 3 tons to 3.5 tons. This particular one, load capacities are up to 500 kgs. So this load cover here depends. You can do a manual one or you can do an automated one. So let's take a look at the cabin of this Hilux double cabin. So stepping into the back row of this 2018 Toyota Hilux, looking at the practicality, the legroom is pretty decent. Headroom is a bit on the squeeze for taller people. It's a bit of a challenge sitting back here. So it has also some cup holders, but now the challenge with this kind of cup holders, you are better off using them in the practicality when the vehicle is stationary. But when you're moving even on an off-road trail, it might be a challenge putting cups here. So the middle row section, it's not so bad, decent, but you see it higher compared to these other sides. Again, as I mentioned, this vehicle has that tough kind of inbuilt, so that it makes it easy to clean and to wash, because some of these vehicles, this is known as a workhorse. As I mentioned, it's very popular in the Kenyan market and people love it because of its reliability, durability, and also its great performance off-road. So let's slide into the front driver cockpit and have a look at some of the technology on this particular trim. So stepping into the driver cockpit. So as I mentioned earlier, this 2018 trim, basically they improved on areas such as the refinement of the cabin, and their performance also was improved as well. So you have some of the off-road features. You have rear deflation lock down here, as you can see. So it flashes on the screen once I engage it. So when I'm going on off-road trails, it is a very great performer when going off-road. You have your hill descent control once you engage it. When you are on an off-road kind of trail, then you have your traction control. Then here you have your 12-volt traditional circuits. You have 2 of them. They are normally also used when maybe using the puncture repair compressor kit. You have your 2H, 4H, and 4 low. just when you want to cruise into off-road mode, but normally it's recommended to put it on 2 high. That is now for 2-wheel drive when you don't need. So you have your climate control. It's a dual climate control. If you want to sync, you can also sync it. Then you have this nice infotainment screen, about probably 8 inches of it, so you can control your menu from here, your radio, your navigation, and then you have a digital clock up here. So basically it's a very robust build. It's not meant for that luxury kind of feel, but the practicality is there. You have a double-sided kind of glow box. It opens up there and down here, so there's plenty of space if you want to put your stuff up here. You have a decent amount of door bins down here, and then you have some cup holders. Again, the challenge with this kind of cup holders, when you are cruising maybe on an off-road trail, they are not the best. They can't hold your cups in place, so you're better off using them, utilizing when stationary. You have your E-mode, eco mode, and then you have your power mode. Now this power mode gives this particular double cab that sharp sporty performance in terms of a sharper acceleration, sharper transmission response, maybe when overtaking on highways. And then the eco mode, now this is all about fuel efficiency. So basically it's a very well built double cab, and the best thing about it is that at CarsKenya, in case you're looking for such a robust, well built double cabin, then this is the place where we're able to give you the options available. You're looking at our landing price average of from 4.5 to 5 million, depending on the trim and the condition and the mileage. So in case you're in the market looking for something that is reliable, dependable, that you can use as a daily, because this gives you good average fuel consumption as well. You check out on the screen, you'll see the numbers in terms of the fuel consumption, and the 2.4 liter gives you at least about 200 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. This is pretty decent for your daily user and even when going on off-road tracks. So visit us today, visit our website on www.carskenya.co.ke, or visit us at our office at Bishop Magua Center ground floor, and let us see what's available and get you moving. Thank you guys.